What's up, everyone? Today I'm gonna be doing my hair. I'm gonna be doing my hair because I actually cut it last night by myself. So yeah, we're gonna be we're gonna be doing my hair. It's gonna be real fun. But first and foremost, I need to put y'all onto this new perfume I got. I'm obsessed. Like, it lasts long. I can actually like smell it on myself and like on my wrists and stuff. Like, I was in my class earlier today. I was like, oh, what's that smell? And then I was like, it's me. It's me. So I'm not gonna gatekeep. This is the perfume. This is my favorite brand of perfume. Like, all their stuff smells so good. But this one, like, I was just in the store with my sister. We both smelled it and we were like, give me that. Like, we took it immediately. We didn't even, like, have any second thoughts. Like, this smells so good. Like, definitely get this for yourself. And also at the store, I got this, like, oil. I'm gonna just test it out because, you know, I just cut my hair. Like, since I was a kid, I always wanted to have long, luscious, curly hair. So I'm gonna just be testing this out. Hope it works. First, let me do a little before. This is how my hair looked before. And this is a photo from cutting my hair. Yep, crazy, I know. And then this is after, like a right after cutting my hair. And then now we're about to do my hair and see how like it actually looks styled and see if there's like much of a difference. I personally don't think there's gonna be that much of a difference because, you know, most times when people have curly hair, you can't really tell a difference if they get a haircut. So yeah, let's get started. First, we're going to show the materials that we need for this style. So obviously, spray bottle with water in it. It can be conditioner water, coconut oil water. I just have regular water. Next, I have 2 claw clips. I usually use claw clips. Example A, I use them like this. I use them to like stretch my hair. Now that I cut my hair, there might not be enough hair to stretch, to be honest, but I have these for that. My handy dandy brush. This brush is literally an OG. Like, I've had this brush for like probably half my life, honestly. Next I have some like curl cream. This one smells delicious. It smells so good. Like, and it makes your curls look really nice. This is also the same line from Mael, but this one is like, it's like a custard, but me personally, I just call it goopy gel. I call it goopy gel because, like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like really slimy. But oh yeah, both of these are from the same line. They smell so good. And this, like, I love this product. I use this all the time and I just love it. I suggest everyone to go buy this if you have curly hair. First, we need to take my hair out of the ponytail. I'm really scared for this part. Let's see the big reveal. It's not coming out. Oh. Okay. Wow. One thing about the haircut, like, I'm really scared that one side is shorter than the other since, like, I did it myself. But from what I'm seeing and, like, when I took my shower, I think everything's pretty even. This is how, like, it's, like, at my collarbone almost now. And before, it was, like, right here. So, you know, cut off like a decent amount. But yeah, I really hope my hair is able to grow with this oil or just grow in general. Step 1 to this hairstyle. Drench the hair in water. Like, drench it. Because curly hair thrives on water. Like I said before, water is the answer. Water is the answer. So let's do this. Okay. I think my hair is drenched enough because I don't know if you can see, but there's water all over the desk. So, next step is we brush the water through our hair. But yeah, the water is all in your hair. Now step 2. Normally, I'm doing something a little different now this time. I don't know, I'm feeling a little different today. But normally I section my hair, apply the cream, apply the gel, and then move on to the next section. But this time I want to put the cream like all throughout my hair, probably rake it in or brush it in, and then in the small sections do the custard goopy gel thing. So I'm gonna try that first. So step 3, custard or curl cream. So we're gonna put 3 pumps, like this much, and we're just gonna rub that in, get it all through the hair. To get it in better, I'm gonna brush it through my hair. Okay, wow, the curls look so cute. It's nice and short. Okay, so we finished step 3. Brushed this, distributed this all through my hair. Now for step 4, which is honestly the longest part, which can be kind of like annoying to do, but we're gonna section and apply the goopy gel. Sorry, custard. So I normally just part with my hands, like I just get a small section at the back and then use a hair tie or like a clip to tie off the rest of your hair, just so this section is like all alone. And yes, now we're going to apply the goopy gel. So yeah, it's really like slimy, but I've had mine for a long time, so it's not like as slimy as like when you first get it. But I don't put too much on my hands. And what I do when I put gel specifically, I try and put most of it at the root, because I feel like the roots get puffy or frizzy really easily. So if you start at the root and then rake down, it shouldn't be as frizzy. So I'm gonna get started. Another thing about this goopy gel, like it makes your curls just like so like bouncy, and just like it really makes your hair like really perfect, and it smells amazing. So definitely recommend this line and this product specifically. I'm gonna put a little bit more just at the roots and like raking it through. Me personally, I like to just rake it in. I know a lot of people do brush styling, but I don't have a styling brush. Like this is my go-to brush. I use it to detangle. I use it for everything. Like realistically, I probably could style with this, but I just prefer raking with my hands and just, you know, seeing how it turns out. Turns out pretty good in my opinion. So, but yeah, these are my pieces right now. Now we're gonna move on to the next section of hair. I'm gonna just stay at the back and like work my way up, sort of. But I try to get like not too big sections because, you know, you want the product to be distributed nicely through your hair so then your curls like pop super good. So this is the next section I got. It's not like super big, but honestly I might just break it into two. So get the gel at the roots and rake it through downwards. Ooh, wow. Okay, next part. What's it called? One thing, after like cutting my hair, like my hair feels so like different and almost like smoother, I feel like, which is kind of strange. Oh, my curls towards like the face framing doesn't curl the way I like. So normally I just go like this and just, yeah, there we go. I normally just like swirl them and just leave it. But yeah, finish this section, time to get a new section. But like for some reason when I was in the shower or like any type of touching your hair like after the haircut, like bro, getting a haircut really transforms your hair. Like my hair, it doesn't seem tangled, it seems really smooth, like everything just is better, I feel like. Not that anything was wrong with my hair, but I don't know, getting a haircut just changes everything. Wow, that was beautiful. That was just beautiful. That was gorgeous. Wow, so pretty. Okay, now I know this isn't like good parting at all, but basically once I get to the crown of my head, like there's supposed to be some sort of, you know, little outline. I just go like this, flip everything backwards. Okay, this is close enough to the crown of my head. The parting's not like correct, but basically once I get to the crown, I try and go straight across if possible, and then say like my straight across section like this, I just get it, get the gel, go up from the roots, like make sure you're raking it through like this, and then just let it go backwards. Now just to get rid of like that middle part, I'm just gonna like brush it out a little bit because I don't want a part just yet. At least not for like when I put all the hair back. I don't want there to be like a middle part so it's going like that. Like I want everything to go straight back. Now for the last section that is going to go backwards. Okay, so we're done with putting the gel and like sectioning. Yes, I know I look crazy. I'm about to look even crazier with this next step. And now for step 5, I think, like I mentioned earlier, I have 2 clips to stretch my hair. So we're gonna do that. The way I like to do it, trying to keep the hair like intact, just grab a small section like this. Don't pull it too hard that the curl's gonna go away, but pull it enough so you can still stretch it, and then just put the clip like this so your hair is like stretching it. Now for the next section, trying to like be careful with it, but get the clip and then just clip it on like that, and then wait, and then yeah, that's basically it. Now we wait until my hair dries, and then we're gonna take it out. So I'll be back with the big reveal. Okay, this is the reveal. My hair turned out very nicely. My favorite part is that there's no like definitive part in my hair. I can just choose how it falls, how I want it to fall. But like, my hair smells so good, you guys. You don't understand. My hair smells so good. Like, I truly recommend those products I used. But yeah, it turned out really like soft, not too like crunchy because of the gel. But yeah, W hair routine. It was so fun to film this. Like, normally when I do my hair, it doesn't take me too long, but I feel like if you ever have the chance to just film yourself doing your hair, like, it's way more fun, and somehow it seems to go a little bit faster. So yeah, this is how it turned out. Cute, nice and short. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I am a broke college student, so I have no like posting schedule. I honestly just try and film a video whenever I have time. But please leave in the comments if you have any suggestions of like what you want me to do. I know for like I have certain ideas. I really want to do a Q&A or like a weird like confessions video. Like if people like drop weird confessions or like weird questions, like I really want to do like interactive videos like that. But just like comment down below something, you know. Need some traction on my videos. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye.